Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaya YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off displaying password character on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, so usually if we write a password on any platform or maybe on the lock screen, then it will be visible password character before finally censored guys. So to overcome this is very easy, and now I will give you an example like this. When I write the password, and you can see right if the characters are still visible after I wrote it down. And to overcome this is quite easy, and I will show you how. Okay guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone first. And then on the settings menu, now you can scroll down a little bit and go to privacy. And after that, now you can turn off show password or displaying characters briefly as you type. And so yeah, now let's give it a try. Okay, as you can see, the character will not visible or displaying anymore. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn off displaying character of the password on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching guys.